And I looked and I said, boy, he looks really good. Boy, I hope he takes the job and I hope he stays for a while. And he stayed and stayed and stayed. But he's going to retire now, well deserved.
We came to Washington to cover an impeachment, but tonight we are covering an act of war by the United States. Earlier in the day, they were so thick. The smoke was so thick and black. Congresswoman Gabrielle Giffords is recovering this evening from surgery at UMC. Next news at 6 a.m. with Colleen Bagnall and John Paul. That's it for us. Thanks for watching.
Good evening, I'm Stephanie White.
And I'm Guy Atchley.
Former President Nixon was remembered by other local people today.
People from his political party.
Good evening, I'm Colleen Bagnall.
And I'm Guy Atchley.
I'm Jennifer Waddell.
And I'm Guy Atchley. So I'm Guy Atchley.
And I'm Stella Inger.